guys, welcome to Fresh and Fab Friday at HomeGrown HomeSewn in Cincinnati, Ohio. Up first, we have all things Halloween. So this is Purrs Boos. This is a line by Elena Amo for Moda. You got your oranges, your blacks, your pinks. I really like it. You have cute little ghosts and little poison, and I mean, the cat has a witch hat, people. How stinking cute can you get? It has bats. I'm loving this checkerboard. And then it has some words, all the fun things. And then we have Coven by Robin Pickens. Now, the pre-cuts are in. This is a kit. It makes both table runners. Okay, both of them. And they both finish at 15.5 by 70.5. The fabric is not here yet. It is coming, don't worry. We wouldn't not buy it, especially with Denise being such a Halloween fan. She wouldn't let us not buy it, people. But we do have the pre-cuts, so I'm going to show you those. And then we're going to go, our little roundabout has turned from 4th of July into Christmas, friends. So here, oh, look at that stunning lead print. Oh, her giant flowers that she is known for. Dang it, she did good. Look how cute that is. That's a little mini. Okay, all the things there. And then, okay, up first, we have Candlelight Christmas by Three Sisters. Okay. Then moving right along, we have, well, this is other, you know, we've shown you some of these, but Joyful Gatherings 2 by Primitive Gatherings. All the things, the minis, the jellies, the fat eights, the fat quarters. And then we have Chili by Sweetwater. Okay. Also have all the things. Look at the minis. Okay. So, am I supposed to be showing them something else? You're moving this way. Where am I going? You
getting warmer.
You didn't tell me.
I
showed
did.
Pre-cuts.
I know, it's over here.
Oh my gosh. Where are we going? Oh, the magazine. Oh, this is not a great shot. This is not the pretty part of the shop. This is where all the cutting happens, though. Okay, and then the All Ohio Shop Hop magazine is here. So if you've already ordered yours to be shipped, it will be shipped. If you've ordered it for local pickup, it will be ready for local pickup. If you haven't ordered it yet, now's your chance. Or come in and get it, okay? So it's going to show you the 85 shops for September, or August, September. And you have your little passport in there. If you don't know what this is, well, look it up, because there's a lot of really great stuff. And then there's quilt patterns in here too. Okay, so Mom and I are doing the show Sunday at 3. And the question, if you want to be entered to win one of the 2 giveaways, you have to be present, watching on the show, and answer this question. What nostalgic movie did you watch as a kid and then you were like, oh, we have to show that to my kids or my grandkids? Either one. We've been watching through some. So like The Sandlot, Goonies for the older 2, not really a younger 2 yet. We want to watch Top Gun because they've seen the new Top Gun, so they really need to see the original. So what nostalgic movie did you watch as a kid that you had to show your kids or grandkids? I think that's all, right? Okay, until next time, happy quilting. Bye.